I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the fundamentals. Confirm your ISP upload speed and run a wired speed test to get a reliable baseline. Once done, disconnect other heavy devices or pause large downloads so you measure only the Xbox traffic. Make sure to record time-of-day variations because congestion skews upstream numbers. While you test, keep the Xbox in network settings, test network speed to see live results. This tells you whether the problem is local, router-related, or ISP side. Next, you change device and network settings to free upstream capacity. Start by enabling Co-S and marking your Xbox as high priority so upload packets get scheduled first. Then, move to 5 GHz Wi-Fi or, better, an Ethernet cable to reduce retransmits. If on Wi-Fi, pick the least crowded channel. On the Xbox, disable background uploads, cloud captures, or automatic updates that consume upstream. These adjustments reduce packet loss and improve steady upstream throughput during gameplay or streaming. Finally, you validate changes by rerunning speed and packet loss tests while streaming or gaming to confirm improved upstream. If results are still poor, reboot your modem and router, then test again. Sometimes a power cycle clears queues. Make sure to try router firmware updates or reset to safe defaults if misconfiguration persists. If problems continue, contact your ISP to check for upstream congestion or provisioning limits. One key troubleshooting tip: capture router logs or use ping plots to show.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.